time for a technical update on the equity markets. The markets opened in the positive today, gap up. However, the early morning gains were not sustained, and in the first hour of the trading session itself, the Nifty gave up its gains and was trading near day's low. Intraday, it managed a pullback from the crucial support. However, that intraday pullback was sold into, and the Nifty ultimately closed in the negative today, down 8 points. However, the market breadth was positive with 1052 advances to 512 declines. The mid cap index and the small cap index both were up more than 1% in today's trading session. So we can conclude that the broad market outperformance continues as compared to the Nifty closing in the negative for the third consecutive day, while on the flip side, mid and small cap indices outperforming the benchmark. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had ONGC, Sun Pharma, Coal India, ICICI Bank and Lupin closing in negative today, while State Bank of India, Infosys, IDFC, HUL were some of the gainers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the third consecutive day. However, it has taken support around the previous swing low of 8049. Today's low was around 8057 on the downside, and the Nifty managed intraday pullback. However, it is facing resistance around the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed around 8111 and 8098. So in coming trading sessions or in tomorrow's trading session, if the Nifty has to continue its positive momentum on the upside, it should not break below the previous swing low of 8049, and along with that it has to trade higher above these averages of 8111 and 8098. So tomorrow's trading session or day after tomorrow's or Monday's trading session, if we see Nifty doing this, then we can expect the positive momentum to continue on the upside. The daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover at this point of time, which is a sign of concern. However, the prices still have not confirmed this concern. So if we go below 8049, then we can expect some further correction on the downside. But until and unless that happens, we maintain our positive stance on Nifty for a target of 83.10 on the upside. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that as per the gateway principle, our sense is that it has formed an expanded flat correction, which might just have completed at today's low. And if in coming trading sessions we see a breach of this low, then further downside is not ruled out. However, we feel that this correction is over, and once Nifty trades above these averages of 8111 and 8098, then the positive momentum should resume on the upside. The hourly momentum indicator has also not showing more signs of any weakness, and it is curving upwards, which indicates that the momentum on the downside is weakening. So we expect the Nifty to trade with a positive bias in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today surpassed the previous swing high of 16,222. Intraday it did that. However, it came back after doing that. However, stocks, PSU stocks, especially smaller PSU stocks like Federal Bank, Canara Bank, Allahabad Bank. From the large cap, we had Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India. Mostly the PSU banks outperformed in trade today and closed with gains in today's trading session. We expect the Bank Nifty to trade with a positive bias, considering the fact that it has reached above the previous swing high of 16,222. We feel that it has started a new leg on the upside, which can take Bank Nifty up till 16,450 on the upside, which is the area of this upper Bollinger Band, daily upper Bollinger Band. So we expect the Bank Nifty to continue its positive momentum on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 16,060 and 15,890. On the upside, resistances are placed at 16,309 and 16,450. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8049, which is the previous swing low, and below that 7979, which is the 20-day simple moving average. On the upside, this band of 8100 to 8120, where the hourly averages are placed, is a crucial resistance, and the Nifty should trade above that for the positive momentum to resume on the upside. So 18,120 and 18,180 are crucial resistances on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.